Radiation therapy now has a new home in Red Deer. The new Central Alberta Cancer Centre, located adjacent to the Red Deer Regional Hospital Centre, is bringing radiation therapy to the area for the first time, as the new facility expands cancer services available for Central Alberta residents.
The opening of the Central Alberta Cancer Centre is the second part of a three-part solution to the fact that we historically had cancer services only in Edmonton and in Calgary. And so for the over a third of the population of Alberta who don't live in Edmonton or Calgary, some of whom had to travel hundreds of kilometers for their cancer treatments, this is going to make their whole cancer treatment just that much more possible.
For patients who have previously had to travel to Edmonton or Calgary for radiation therapy, having more options closer to home is good news indeed.
I am a breast cancer survivor. In March of 2012 I was diagnosed, and I'm one of those patients that had the unfortunate need to travel to Calgary to do my radiation. And it was difficult. You had the effects of the radiation, but you also had the stress of wondering about the roads and driving around accidents, and yeah, it was a long 16 days.
The new Central Alberta Cancer Centre is expected to handle more than 15,000 patient visits in its first year. As well, 2 new linear accelerators in the radiation therapy facilities will treat more than 600 cases annually, allowing Central Alberta cancer patients to be treated closer to home.
The staff that are here are very, very excited to be here. They are excited about new technology. The people that work in this field are usually attracted, by the cancer patient, and they're very empathetic caregivers, but they're usually pretty technically savvy. So this new equipment is very exciting for them to be able to give the best state-of-the-art care to the cancer patients of Central Alberta.
The new facility also offers additional outpatient clinics, a medical day unit with treatment areas for chemotherapy, and pharmacy services, including a satellite pharmacy for cancer medications. It will also provide treatment for multiple cancers, including lung, breast, gastrointestinal, and prostate.
This was a plan that came to fruition in 2008. It was a plan formed in combination with the federal government as well as Alberta Health and the provincial government. Building started then. We opened our first centre in Lethbridge in 2010, and now the second here in Red Deer, and the third one for Grand Prairie is slated to open in January of 2017.
I just know the advantages that this is for people in Central Alberta who need this service. It's huge, and it's bigger than anybody will ever realize unless you walk that walk.